This is Monterrey, Mexico. Located in the mountains at almost 2,000 feet of elevation, it's one of Mexico's wealthiest cities. Given its location in the north of the country, it's an easy weekend trip from Texas.
So this is a serrano pepper. This is jalapeno pepper, which is most familiar for Americans. Jalapeno pepper is serrano pepper. Serrano pepper is 10 times hotter than jalapeno pepper. This is ancho pepper, which means white pepper. The poblano pepper is green, but when it is sun-dried, it becomes like this one.
Has many beautiful parks, public areas to walk around, good public transportation. You can see many old Volkswagen Beetles around town. This is from one of the highest points in Monterrey. You get a beautiful view of the city, the mountains surrounding it. Some of the biggest flags I've ever seen were those Mexican flags flying above the city. You get the European influence with these very old looking streets, brick streets, and these channels running through very nice walkable paths next to them. People biking and running. Monterrey is a beautiful city and well worth the visit.